Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to elevate your cooking game, the Staub Cast Iron 10-inch fry pan in a vibrant grenadine color, proudly made in France. This isn't just any fry pan, it's a testament to artisanal craftsmanship and culinary excellence, designed for those who appreciate quality and performance. Let's start with what makes cast iron so revered in the kitchen. It's all about heat. This Staub fry pan, made from high-quality cast iron, offers incredible heat retention and distribution. This means your pan heats up evenly, and more importantly, it maintains that heat. So, when you add ingredients, the temperature of the pan doesn't plummet, leading to superior searing and browning. This is crucial for achieving that perfect crispy skin on chicken or beautifully caramelized onions. One of the standout features of this pan is its unique interior matte texture. Staub has engineered this surface specifically to promote exceptional browning. Unlike some smoother cast iron surfaces, this texture creates more surface area for food to make contact with, leading to a more intense and even Maillard reaction. The result is food with incredible depth of flavor and a mouth-watering crust. For those who cook a variety of dishes, the versatility of this pan is a huge plus. It's oven-safe up to an impressive 900 degrees Fahrenheit, or 482 degrees Celsius. This means you can start a dish on the stovetop and finish it in the oven, seamlessly transitioning from searing to braising or baking. Imagine getting a perfect sear on a steak, then popping it into the oven to finish cooking to your desired doneness, all in the same pan. Staub also understands the practicalities of modern kitchens. The smooth enamel bottom is designed to work on all stovetops. Whether you have gas, electric, glass, ceramic, induction, or halogen, this pan will perform beautifully. This universal compatibility makes it a fantastic investment, as you won't have to worry about it being incompatible with your current or future kitchen appliances. Maintenance is often a concern with cast iron, but Staub has made this incredibly user-friendly. This pan requires no seasoning. The enameled interior means it's ready to go right out of the box. This is a massive advantage for busy home cooks who want to enjoy the benefits of cast iron without the hassle of constant seasoning and reseasoning. While it is dishwasher safe, hand washing is always recommended to preserve the longevity and beauty of the enamel. The design of the pan itself is thoughtfully executed. It features pouring spouts on both sides, which are incredibly handy for draining off excess fat from bacon or rendered chicken fat. This allows you to control the fat content of your dishes and achieve cleaner results. The low, curved sides are also a significant design element. They make it wonderfully easy to flip food, stir, and generally maneuver ingredients within the pan, adding to the overall cooking experience. Each piece of Staub cookware is described as one of a kind, a beautiful statement of its handmade origin in France. This adds a certain charm and heirloom quality to the pan. It's not just a tool, it's a piece of culinary art that can be passed down through generations. The description also highlights its ability to transition beautifully from the kitchen to the table, making it perfect for serving directly from the pan, adding a rustic elegance to your dining experience. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. The pros are numerous. Exceptional heat retention and even distribution are paramount for great cooking. The unique interior texture for superior browning is a game changer. The no seasoning required feature significantly lowers the barrier to entry for cast iron cooking. Its compatibility with all stovetops and its high oven-safe temperature rating offer incredible versatility. The built-in pouring spouts are a practical and appreciated addition. Plus, the fact that it's made in France. With such attention to detail speaks to its quality and durability, making it a long-term investment. On the flip side, there are a few cons to consider. Cast iron is inherently heavy, and this pan is no exception. This can be a factor for some users, especially when lifting and maneuvering it. While it's dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended for optimal care, which might be a drawback for those who prefer a completely hands-off cleaning approach. The initial cost is also an investment. Staub is a premium brand, and this fry pan comes with a price tag that reflects its quality and craftsmanship. In conclusion, the Staub Cast Iron 10-inch fry pan is a truly outstanding piece of cookware. It combines the timeless benefits of cast iron with modern convenience and thoughtful design. For anyone serious about cooking, looking to achieve restaurant-quality results in their home kitchen, this pan is a fantastic choice. It's built to last a lifetime, promising years of delicious meals and culinary adventures. Whether you're searing, sautéing, or finishing dishes in the oven, this Staub fry pan will undoubtedly become your go-to kitchen companion. Link in the description.